Man, what's going on YouTube? It's been a minute. Why has it been a minute? Well, I'm still dealing with horrible contractors here in Boston. So, my home is about, it's been being worked on for about 5 months. Almost 90 days old. I'm not going to blast the contractors just yet, but hey, you know, but anyway, that's not why you come to my channel. The house is still there, still nice. Nothing's been done since the last video I showed you guys. Let's start with the truck. So, the truck. Today we're taking the truck to 210 Hoss. 210 Hoss. We're taking the truck to 210. And excuse me for the audio, guys. My boom mic, I left it at home rushing this morning because I got an appointment with 210 at 8 o'clock, so I'm trying to hurry up and get this done. We got some stuff going on with the Titan today, so today video will be about the first modification to the truck. That's going to get done today at 210 Hoss. I've been not able to get, I'm just so frustrated. I haven't been able to get a lot of stuff done based off of trying to complete this home. But the first modification will get done today for 210 Hoss. You're going to see that. I'm going to take you with you. Come walk with me. Keep it home. Keep going. Now, this is why you're here. This is why you're here. This is why you're here. So you want the quad. You want the quad footage. That's what you want. Cold start. It's not going to be that loud based off the fact that it has the exhaust valve flap, but I'll open it for you. One second. I know it's a little loud, but I know you don't care. Exhaust fold was done by Madness Auto Works. Exhaust is done by Madness Auto Works. Again, I love the quad. Any questions you have, man, the trains are acting up right now. I'm gonna just hold off. Just keep looking at the beautiful car. Just keep looking at the beautiful car. And then I guess the project car, right? That's what you want to know. Like, thank you for the 301 subscribers who subscribe to the vehicle channel. I'm so excited. 301. Thank you guys for supporting me, man. It means a lot. Like again, I create this channel not to get affiliate links or get rich or to do reviews. I'm not that kind of guy. I watch all the other ones, Throttle House. I watch everyone that you watch, essentially. But I want it to be more personal. I want this to be real. Just want it to be, like one of my comments said, unscripted. I want you to see what it's like for a normal guy who works a normal job, who's not a YouTube blogger or whatever case it be, and a guy who just spends his hard-earned money and kind of what we do, you know. I want to shout out a couple YouTubers. I never really do this, but they keep motivating me to keep this journey going. Will Motivation, Mod the Fame, Life of Corey. I even watch him a lot, and it just, you know, keeps you going for this YouTube journey. And I actually started watching a new guy as well, Rev 2 Real, and then everybody watched Strad. So yeah, and Omi. I watch a lot of them, as you can see. But anyway, what's this? Project car. So if you haven't, come to the channel, this is my 1989 Mercedes 190E. This is the project car. I've got it in the grass because, again, construction is supposed to be going on, so it's supposed to be crews and all of that, so I wanted to have access to the house freely. But eventually I'm gonna build a garage for all of my cars, other than the 2 garages that I have, right? So just for all the project cars. So the 190E, what's going on with the 190E, guys? I'm in the works of working with Smiley Auto Works here in Austin, Texas, or they're actually in Kyle, Texas, same thing, but Smiley Auto Works. So in the work, we're gonna do a complete rebuild of this car. So I'm gonna just give you what's gonna happen with this one. So we're gonna do a complete rebuild, complete body work. We're gonna make sure the body work is done. We're gonna do an engine swap, of course. I know my peers are gonna hate that, but the modding community is gonna like it. I want a fast car, and the engine that's in there, it just doesn't do anything. It's slow. So it still runs, it still drives, it does everything. We're gonna take body off frame. We'll do a complete restoration of this car. I don't know exactly what direction we're gonna go, modernize it or keep it looking classic. You guys let me know in the comments below. But we're gonna swap the engine out. We're gonna swap the engine out, and it's gonna be either a 2JZ motor, which I know all of you guys are like, yeah, do a 2JZ swap. That's kind of expensive, but it's still on the table. Or traditional LS twin turbo swap. Again, Smiley Auto Works actually have been highly recommended for this kind of work. I've seen their work at Texas 2K. They're putting out 7-second cars, and they are really about their work and punctual. So stay tuned on the project car for this. But again, that's what I'm here for. I just want to give you guys an update on what's going on here at a Foreign Stories headquarters. We'll catch you at the shop. I'm about to dip. I'm gonna have my wife drive the
Thank you.
So while I'm here, let me just address a few comments, while I'm getting the car washed up. And it's a beautiful day out here in Austin, Texas. One comment, I normally don't address comments, but hey, I feel like it's a need. My channel is small enough with 301 subscribers that I could actually talk to any person who has a concern or whatever, right? So the comment stated that, why did you put quadrifoglio badges on the side of a base Giulia? Well, let's just get this straight. It wasn't a base Giulia. First and foremost, I don't buy base cars. It was a 2017, ordered in 2016 Giulia TI Sport, 55,000, I believe was the sticker of it. I purchased that vehicle. It was one of the first 50 in the country that were purchased. Okay, why spend a lot of money on a car that you know has bad reliability ratings from the jump, right? The reason I put those particular badges on, they're not quadrifolic badges. They're actually Alfa Romeo Racing Heritage. I can't get away from trains, guys. They're everywhere. They're actually Alfa Romeo Racing Heritage badges. They're all silver, no color. Just give it a little pop, because at the time there was not a lot of customizable options for the car. I'm done with that. The quad. The quad is an amazing vehicle. I mean, again, I've been having a good time with it. Was it worth it jumping up? Sure. But these cars depreciate value. Like, you can go get a Giulia now, 2017, for $23,000, $24,000, $25,000. Super easy. The quads, however, especially the Stelvio, there's limited inventory out there. Limited inventory out there right now for the quad. So, again, look, just wanted to address some of these things. Whatever questions you do have, please, let me know. Has the quad been reliable? I mean, I get that all the time. No, to be honest, no. It has 23,000 miles on it. It's been in the shop more than anything I've ever had. Do I like it? Yeah. When it works, it's an amazing vehicle. Is it so unreliable that, like Range Rover unreliable? No, it's not. It's not. I can think of a lot of things that are worse. Jaguar, Range Rover, those brands are far more unreliable than my particular quad. But anyway, I'm just rambling, guys. I just wanted to just touch base with you while kill some time, give you some personal insight on it. We'll definitely buy the quad again. If you have a Giulia 2.0, they come in different trims, and you want more power, more speed, go for it. If you're a Hellcat thinking it's 700 horsepower, all that, it's not the car for you. But you can go buy $60,000 Hellcat, $70,000 Hellcat. Nothing against those cars, I like them. It's just I like to be a little unique. So, and with the new merger, FCA merger, who knows? Maybe the new quad will have 700 horsepower, 680 horsepower. Who knows? They're gonna charge you a lot for it, but hey, I'm an Alfa Romeo guy, not a Maserati guy. So look, whatever they do, I just hope they keep the brand around. Dealer support. Let me talk about that. If something's wrong with the car and you don't have a dealership in your area that's is gonna stay open, I wouldn't buy the car. I'm just gonna be honest with you. When I had a light come on, my local dealership told me that I had to have an appointment for 2 weeks. 2 whole weeks. And I feel like if you spend that kind of money on something, $89,000, $90,000 on a car, you're the pretty much halo car of the brand, then you need to fit me in or give me a loan or have me drop it off. There could have been better customer service done there. Don't know what everyone else's experience is, but that's kind of been my experience this time. So again, the car's ready, guys. I'm gonna give you that B-roll that I promised. A little slow. All right, that's a little pit stop. As you can see, filling up gas. Filling up gas. When the quad says she's thirsty, she's thirsty. And I mean, like, at 100 miles, you better, look, you don't have 100 miles in the quad. So, just think of, just think of the quad. Just think of the quad as when she at, I would say 2 hash marks, you need to be finding your way to the gas station. 2 hash marks, you need to be finding your way to the gas station. But in the current terms, it costs about $42 to fill up. I think that the gas tank has to be like really small, actually. Have I run out of gas? Yes. All right, we're still going back to go pick up the Titan. I'm just trying to give you guys some loaded content here. We're going back to pick up the Titan. Kawhi was thirsty. Looks good. She looks good. I love that car. I love that car. But anyway, I'll catch you guys at 210 Hoss. Let's check out see what happened with the Titan. Man, thank you guys for riding along with me today. Oh, we got the help power step. Excuse my truck, you know, had to replace those. That's what I was talking about. Oh, those are the ugly. Those are the factors. So, we happen. Excuse the truck is dirty. Oh, we here. We here.